When we think of Rio de Janeiro, iconic images like Copacabana and Ipanema immediately come to mind. These beaches are not just famous, they are legendary, drawing millions of visitors each year who come to bask in the sun, enjoy the vibrant nightlife, and experience the unique culture that permeates every corner of this bustling city. These stunning beaches are famous worldwide, with their golden sands and unmistakable blue waters. Copacabana, with its lively promenade and festive atmosphere, is a hub of activity, while Ipanema offers a more relaxed vibe, perfect for those looking to unwind. Both beaches are ideal for a variety of activities, from beach volleyball to surfing, making them a paradise for sports enthusiasts and sun seekers alike. But today we're taking you beyond the obvious, introducing you to a hidden gem that's been captivating those in search of a natural paradise. Welcome to Arraial do Cabo, a breathtaking destination known for its crystal-clear waters and stunning marine life. Here you can snorkel among vibrant coral reefs, explore secluded coves, and immerse yourself in the serene beauty of nature. This lesser-known spot offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of Rio, providing a perfect blend of adventure and relaxation for those willing to venture off the beaten path. Welcome to Arraial do Cabo. Located about 2 hours from downtown Rio de Janeiro, Arraial is a true hidden gem. With its white sandy beaches and crystal-clear waters, this is the perfect destination for those looking to escape the city's hustle and reconnect with nature. Arraial do Cabo is known as the Brazilian Caribbean, a title that it truly lives up to with its stunning natural beauty and vibrant marine life, and it's easy to see why. The waters here are crystal clear, offering a perfect setting for a variety of water activities. Here, you can dive at some of the best spots in Brazil, where the underwater visibility is exceptional. Explore incredible caves that are home to a diverse array of marine life, and relax on paradise-like beaches such as Praia do Farol, which boasts powdery white sand and turquoise waters. Praia do Farol is considered one of the most beautiful beaches in the country, offering breathtaking views and a serene atmosphere. Whether you're looking to unwind on the shore, take stunning photographs, or simply soak in the natural beauty, Arraial do Cabo has something for everyone. While Copacabana and Ipanema boast urban charm and the city's vibrant atmosphere, Arraial do Cabo offers a more serene and untouched experience. It's the ideal place for those seeking peace, adventure, and of course, stunning photo opportunities. So the next time you think of visiting Rio de Janeiro, remember that this vibrant city has so much more to offer than just its famous landmarks. Don't limit yourself to the obvious attractions like Christ the Redeemer and Copacabana Beach. Add Arraial do Cabo to your itinerary, a hidden gem just a few hours away from the bustling city. Here you can snorkel in crystal-clear waters, hike through scenic nature trails, and relax on pristine beaches. Come and experience the best of Rio, from its iconic beaches to its hidden paradise. Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone looking to unwind, Rio de Janeiro and its surrounding areas have something special for everyone. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the wonders of this marvelous state. Subscribe to the channel for more tips and adventures around Brazil.